Moving to the UK or Europe is a big step. But it doesn't have to mean paying for a whole container. With SDC International Shipping's Groupage service, you can share a container with other families headed to the same region, saving money without sacrificing peace of mind. Groupage shipping, also called less than container load, lets you send your household goods in a shared container. It's safe, professional, and cost-effective. Perfect for families, students, or professionals moving overseas who don't need a full container. Our trained SDC movers come right to your home. We pack your items with professional materials, create a detailed inventory, and secure everything for the journey. From your furniture to your family keepsakes, every item is handled with care. Once packed, your shipment is sent to our warehouse, where it's consolidated with other groupage shipments. Then, it's loaded onto a ship bound for Europe. Most groupage shipments to the UK and Europe take between 8 and 16 weeks, depending on schedules and customs clearance. Clearing customs can feel overwhelming, but with SDC, you don't have to worry. Our team helps you prepare the required documents in advance, whether it's a transfer of residency form for the UK or proof of residence for France or Germany. We guide you through every step, so your shipment clears smoothly and without surprise costs. Finally, it's delivery day. Your belongings are brought directly to your new home. Whether it's a London flat, a cottage in the countryside, or an apartment in Paris, your items arrive safely, ready to help you rebuild home overseas. At SDC International Shipping, we move more than boxes. We move what matters. From professional packing, to customs support, to secure delivery at your new home, our groupage service is designed for peace of mind. Thousands of families trust us every year to make their international move affordable and stress-free. Groupage shipping isn't just about saving money, it's about giving you options. Because shipments are consolidated, you can send what matters most without paying for empty space in a container. It's an excellent choice if you're moving overseas with a smaller household, or if you'd rather not buy all new furniture when you arrive. And if the timing of your move isn't perfectly aligned, we've got you covered. Many clients arrive before their shipment, or their new home isn't quite ready when their belongings land in Europe. That's why SDC offers secure, climate-controlled storage at both origin and destination. Your items are safely held until you're ready to receive them, whether that's a few weeks or a few months. This combination of groupage shipping and flexible storage makes moving to the UK or Europe far less stressful. You can focus on settling in, while we handle the logistics of keeping your belongings safe until you're ready for them. Ready to move to the UK or Europe with groupage shipping? Call us today at 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com to get your free moving quote. SDC International Shipping. We look forward to connecting with you.